Hands versus arms. 10, 9, 8. Line up, line up, line up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Only 3 are walking. Period. Let's go. DJ from the beat. For the hands performance. In the name of TTTT. Valentina, TTTT. 1, 10, 2, 10. 10. Hands across, stay to the side. The next one. 2T, heart, 2. 2T, heart, 2. Is it 10? 1, 10, 2, 10. Hands across, stay to the side. Ooh, all the way from Estonia. Hazel, 7, 7. Yes. Let's fucking go. One 10, 2 10, 3 10. Sends across, right? Stay to the side. All right, the battle. 2T versus 2T. Let's go. Which one thing? Which one thing? All right, Melissa, give me 1. 1, Valentina, 2, 1. Valentina stays, but you double. A round of applause. All right, DJ, final battle. But give a little moment for Valentina to breathe. Daughter, you're fast. Let's go, bump the beat. Clap your hands. Dance performance fine? No. Dance performance fine? No. Let's go. Make it hard. Make it hard. Make it hard. Ooh. You ready? 1001, 2002, 3003, and hold those hands for me. Larida, give me 1. 1 in the front. 1, 1, 2, 1. Vanilla. 2, 2. Break it. Break it. Valentina. All right. Valentina stays. But give Hazel a round of applause all the way from Estonia. Valentina, wait for a second. Arms control, you are now. DJ, arms control. Arms. Control. Let's go. control. Four, 110, 210, that's across, stay to the side. Anybody else, arms control, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, arms control is closed, final battle. DJ, final battle, hands versus arms. Let's fucking go. Wait for the beat, give them a round of applause, final battle, hands versus arms. One, two, three. Grand prize, Valentina 2 team. The gift arms control, a round of applause. Grand prize.